Buenos dias. That translates to good morning for those who don't know. Trying to switch it up my last few days here, trying to shock you all with some variety. The pen drama, if you've been watching the last few videos, is still ongoing. This is a really, I know there's a lot of like good TV shows out there and a lot of other interesting things happening in people's lives, but to me, the drama of this pen has not had any ink since not even know when. I mean, even if you remove this part and you look there, you can't even see the ink there. So it's really amazing what's been going on here with this pen. This is now day 3, I believe, of writing with this pen. So we'll see if it loses its ink today, and maybe live on camera. If it does, we could do some sort of ceremony for it, some sort of passing of the pen, because I don't think Julia Cameron mentions the pen in the morning pages in The Artist's Way. And it's something that happens. I mean, there's a pen, you use it, and it dies. It has to go to pen heaven. So today is the 13th of July. And here we go. All right. Page 1. 2, 3 pages. And if you're wondering, because I had that whole beginning phase queued up, this pen is still going. It's really quite fascinating. Whoa, man, I have like a lot of stuff. Kind of woke up with a lot of energy, like I not always do, but it's a lot of stuff moving through me that is needing to release. I go to this psychedelic integration circle out here, and we had a circle about dreams and symbols and things like that, and it's just a really cool group of people who are talking about really interesting things. And in one of those situations, I mentioned a experience I had while doing plant medicine, and it was really cool to hear all the different takes on what exactly it was that I was experiencing. My roommate's outside and the window's open, trying to remain quiet for a second. But yeah, so that was kind of cool. So, but hearing people essentially talk about that and explain what they thought was going on was a really interesting experience. Okay, she's leaving. Just my roommates. I don't want to be like, the window, so the driveway is right by my window, and I'm like talking to myself, and just kind of a strange thing. You probably hear the car going right now. Anyways, yeah, so having that experience kind of, I guess, just stirred some stuff around. Like hearing the interpretations of the experience that I had with the different people really gave me a lot to think about, and I've just been kind of processing that, I suppose. But enough about that. Pages were good. I did a few different topics that I wanted to discuss, all kind of around similar themes of essentially I was talking about love and relationships and stuff like that. And towards the end, I kind of ran out of stuff to say. It was like the first time that happened to me since doing these pages, and I just I just was like, I didn't want to stop, so I just said something like, I'm now getting to the end of these pages and I'm ready to be done writing them, or something like that. But that was kind of an interesting thing that happened. But that was it. I woke up, had some dreams too, so I was writing about some dream stuff in relation to those topics of relationships and love that I was talking about. So yeah, that was day 24. I think I might have said day 26 in the beginning. I don't remember. It's early, and it's just early, and I'm really kind of out of it today. Um, but yeah, today is 24, and that's it. Pen's still going, and we'll see how long that happens. So stay tuned for tomorrow's edition. All right, have a good day.